Aimage, I'm seeing estimated market cap $8 million and $27 million. Why am I excited? Because not only they got competition and upgrades coming, but they partner with NVIDIA Developer Program. So you're probably thinking, this has great potential. It is undervalued. I'm telling you, this is undervalued. With this news here and the upgrades they're doing, we're going back to the captain spreadsheet. Let's break this down. My name is Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The captain, and if you hold at least 12 million of this, you're gonna be happy, in my opinion. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, 12 million will get you $21,000 at an $8 million market cap. Now, you're probably thinking it's not even 1 million. However, working with them and upgrading their V2 does make this definitely possible. Great community and a great team as well. Now, if you got 1 million, $1,700, not bad. You can pay the rent, maybe pay the mortgage, that kind of thing. But we're all about bigger profits here, you know? So if you're holding more, like 40 million, $70,000. Now let's go over to the estimated market cap, 27 million, okay? So this is just down the road. It's not financial advice. We're having a little fun here. So if you're holding 12 million, we're looking at $69,000 profit. And this is actually a good time to consider something like this when you're doing your research. When I saw this and when I saw this here, I'm like, this thing's got a good opportunity to really go make millions. Now, 30 million, it gets you 172,000. And then also 50, which is pretty cheap right now, get you 288,000. So think about it, guys. When you do your research on Aimage and the team in the community, you may get some big profits. Not financial advice. I'm just going by what I'm seeing. My name is Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm excited because the value of Aimage had the potential to go boom. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.